Network. TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman here. I'm the host of the Tiger Technicians Hour, coming up straight after this Tiger Financial News Network noon update. And I'm also the author of the Opening Call daily newsletter, and we're looking at a Dow on the right. On the left is the daily, middle is the weekly, on the right is the monthly, and at 4 o'clock today, this candle, the March candle, closes. And it's just the 2 months. We've never seen 2 months like this, certainly in the Dow or most of the indices. So let's see where we close. Meantime, back at the ranch, we are on a nice trajectory from the low that was made at 18,213 on the 23rd. We're now on the last day of March, and we're up 66 at 22,391. We really need to get into the 22,800, 23,000 area to say, whew, this is a much better recovery than just a bounce and a retrace to the downside. So that's very important. The S&P at this particular moment is also up. The Dow was again down quite sharply earlier on, and then it rebounded. The S&P is up just 3 points at right here. The S&P is up 3 points at 26.29. It has, in fact, just begun leg B in the Chapman Wave methodology. I'll be talking more about that in my show coming up in a few minutes' time. Finally, it's got a leg A, first leg A in the weekly chart that we've seen since the plunge from the 3346.65 February high. We're looking at the QQQ leading in the charge on the upward side at 0.74%. Up 138 at 193.48. It too is starting a leg B, and that's really important because the MACD's improved. The stochastic still only at 63%, but we're watching this weekly chart, and that's going to be important. I'll be talking about it in my show coming up. And we're looking at the IWM, which is the Russell 2000. Where did I put that? The Russell 2000 coming up in a moment. IWM, there it is. IWM is up 20 cents at 115.20, kind of stuck sideways up against the 14-period moving average. It does not look that great. We're going to see whether the Russell 2000 small cap stocks are able to really get a move to the upside. Now, gold, this is interesting. Gold is pulling back down 23 at 16.19. Breaking underneath the 14-period moving average. And that dollar has had a really strong move from the low made just 3 days ago. Intraday, it went all the way to 99.95. Unfortunately, it's given most of it back. It's up at 99.17. And TLT, we'll talk about that when I get back from my Tiger Technicians Hour coming up in a moment. Hope to see you then. Otherwise, see you tomorrow.